Welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone in the market for a used car: avoiding transmission trouble. We'll be discussing 6 used cars notorious for their bad transmissions, so you can steer clear of these potential money pits. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to make a more informed used car purchase. First up is the Ford Focus, a car that might seem practical and affordable. It's a popular choice for many due to its compact size, fuel efficiency, and modern features. However, beneath its appealing exterior lies a notorious issue that has plagued many owners: the PowerShift automatic transmission. This transmission was designed to offer the best of both worlds, the convenience of an automatic with the efficiency of a manual. Unfortunately, it has a reputation for being problematic. Owners have reported a variety of issues, including rough shifting, shuddering, and even complete transmission failure. These problems can make driving a stressful experience. Imagine merging onto the highway and suddenly experiencing a loss of power. Not a situation you want to find yourself in. This can be particularly dangerous in high-speed traffic, where quick and reliable acceleration is crucial. The dual-clutch design of the PowerShift transmission is a primary culprit behind these woes. While dual-clutch transmissions are known for their ability to offer fast and smooth gear changes, they can be quite finicky in everyday driving conditions. In theory, dual-clutch transmissions should provide a seamless driving experience. However, in practice they often struggle with low-speed maneuvers and stop-and-go traffic, which are common in city driving. Many owners have complained about jerky shifting at low speeds. This can make driving in traffic a frustrating and uncomfortable experience, as the car lurches and hesitates. Another significant issue with the PowerShift transmission is premature clutch wear. The clutches in these transmissions tend to wear out much faster than expected, leading to costly repairs. Replacing a clutch in a dual-clutch system is no small feat and can be expensive. The labor involved is extensive, and the parts themselves are not cheap. This can lead to repair bills that are a significant burden for many owners. If you're considering a used Ford Focus, it's crucial to do your research and check for any service records related to the transmission. Look for signs that the previous owner has addressed these issues, or be prepared for potential future repairs. A little bit of research and caution can save you a lot of trouble and expense down the road. By being informed and vigilant, you can still enjoy the benefits of owning a Ford Focus without falling victim to the transmission troubles that have affected so many. Next, we have the Nissan Altima, a popular sedan with transmission issues, specifically with its CVT. The continuously variable transmission, or CVT, is a type of automatic transmission that can change seamlessly through a continuous range of gear ratios. CVTs are designed for smooth gear changes and fuel efficiency, offering a driving experience that is both comfortable and economical. However, they are less durable than traditional automatics. Traditional automatic transmissions use a set number of gears, which can handle more power and last longer under stress. Altima owners have reported CVT failures, which can be incredibly frustrating and inconvenient. These failures often lead to costly repairs or replacements, sometimes running into thousands of dollars. Common symptoms include a slipping sensation where the engine revs but the car doesn't accelerate as expected. This can be particularly dangerous in situations where quick acceleration is needed. Another symptom is slow acceleration despite high engine revs, making the car feel sluggish and unresponsive. Additionally, a whining or humming noise from the transmission can indicate internal damage, which should not be ignored. If you're in the market for a used Nissan Altima, it's crucial to be aware of these potential CVT issues. Be vigilant and look for any warning signs on the dashboard, as these can be early indicators of transmission problems. Always check the vehicle's service history for any transmission repairs or replacements. A well-documented service history can provide insights into the car's past issues and how they were addressed. Take the car for a thorough test drive, paying close attention to how the transmission feels. This is your opportunity to detect any irregularities. Pay attention to the gear shifts and the overall response of the transmission. Any slipping, hesitation, or strange noises should be taken seriously. If you notice any of these issues, it might be best to reconsider your purchase or negotiate a lower price to account for potential future repairs. Being informed and cautious can save you from unexpected expenses and ensure a smoother driving experience. Our next contender is the Jeep Cherokee, a vehicle that has earned a reputation for its impressive off-road capabilities and rugged design. It's a favorite among adventure enthusiasts and those who need a reliable vehicle for challenging terrains. However, the Cherokee is also known for its troublesome 9-speed automatic transmission, which has been a point of contention for many owners. This transmission, known as the ZF9GP, was designed with the intention of improving fuel economy and providing smoother shifting. The idea was to offer a more efficient and comfortable driving experience. Unfortunately, the reality has been somewhat different. Common complaints from drivers include harsh or erratic shifting, which can be quite jarring. Additionally, many have reported delays in gear engagement, which can be frustrating and even dangerous in certain driving situations. These transmission issues can significantly detract from the overall driving experience, making it less smooth and enjoyable than one might expect from a vehicle of this caliber. In response to these problems, Jeep has released several software updates aimed at addressing the transmission issues. These updates have provided some relief to owners. However, it's important to note that not all issues have been fully resolved, and some drivers continue to experience problems despite the updates. If you're in the market for a used Jeep Cherokee, it's crucial to be aware of these potential transmission quirks. They can impact the vehicle's performance and your overall satisfaction. Before making a purchase, check the vehicle's service history for any transmission-related repairs or software updates. This can give you a better idea of how the vehicle has been maintained and whether any issues have been addressed. Finally, take the vehicle for a thorough test drive. Pay close attention to how the transmission feels in real-world conditions. This will help you determine if the vehicle meets your expectations and if any transmission issues are present. Next up is the Chevrolet Cruze, a car praised for its fuel efficiency but notorious for transmission problems. Common issues include a shuddering sensation during acceleration and a noticeable loss of power. This is often due to a faulty torque converter. Another issue is premature clutch wear, leading to slipping and difficulty shifting gears. Some owners have reported complete transmission failures. If you're considering a used Chevrolet Cruze, be aware of these potential problems. Check the vehicle's service history for any transmission repairs or replacements. Take the car for a thorough test drive, paying close attention to how the transmission feels. Now let's look at the Dodge Dart, a compact sedan with a problematic dual-clutch transmission, the DDCT. The DDCT was designed for quick gear changes, but earned a reputation for being jerky and hesitant. Common complaints include rough shifting at low speeds and premature clutch wear. Some owners have reported complete DDCT failures. If you're considering a used Dodge Dart, be aware of these potential pitfalls. Research the car's transmission history and look for any signs of previous problems. Take it for a thorough test drive to see how the transmission performs. Any signs of trouble should be taken seriously. Finally, we have the BMW 3 Series, a luxury car with transmission issues, particularly in models with automatic transmissions. Common problems include rough or jerky shifting and a slipping sensation. Some owners have experienced complete transmission failures. If you're considering a used BMW 3 Series, be aware of these potential issues. Check the vehicle's service history for any transmission repairs or replacements. Take the car for a thorough test drive, paying close attention to how the transmission feels. Any slipping, hesitation, or strange noises should be taken seriously. Proceed with caution to avoid costly repairs. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of used cars notorious for transmission problems. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car advice and reviews. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts or experiences with these cars.